Welcome to our channel, The Mythologist. We are here to entertain and inspire you with the power of storytelling. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through the magic of words. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. Markiplier, whose real name is Mark Edward Fishbach, is a popular American YouTuber, gamer, and philanthropist. He was born on June 28, 1989, in Honolulu, Hawaii. Markiplier initially started his career on YouTube in 2012 by creating Let's Play videos, in which he played and provided commentary on various video games. His channel grew quickly, and he has since expanded his content to include comedy skits, vlogs, and live-action sketches. As of March 2023, Markiplier has over 19 billion video views and 34 million subscribers on YouTube and has received over 14 billion views on his videos. He is one of the most popular YouTubers in the gaming community and has collaborated with many other YouTubers and streamers over the years. In addition to his content creation, Markiplier is also a philanthropist and has raised millions of dollars for various charities through his live streams and other fundraising efforts. He is a passionate supporter of mental health awareness and has been vocal about his own struggles with depression and anxiety. Overall, Markiplier is a well-known and respected figure in the online entertainment world, and his contributions to gaming and charity have made him a beloved figure to many.